In 1977, a radio telescope picked up a signal so powerful the astronomer circled it on the printout and wrote one word. Wow. Scientists spent the next 47 years trying to explain it away. They still haven't fully succeeded. Let's start with the merely weird and work our way toward the ones that make actual physicists lose sleep. Number 10. The Antikythera Mechanism. In 1901, divers pulled a lump of corroded bronze off a Greek shipwreck. Nobody cared for decades, it just looked like junk. Then X-ray scans revealed over 30 interlocking gears precise enough to predict eclipses and track planetary motion. It's a 2,000-year-old analog computer. Problem is, nothing else like it exists anywhere in the historical record for the next 1,000 years. It's like finding a smartphone in a Roman sewer and then nobody inventing a calculator again until 1970. Number 9. The bloop. In 1997, underwater microphones built to detect Soviet submarines picked up a sound so loud it registered across 5,000 kilometers of ocean. Scientists nicknamed it the bloop. It didn't match any known animal, submarine, or earthquake. For over a decade, this was quietly considered evidence of something enormous living in the deep. NOAA eventually pinned it on ice cracking in Antarctica. Convenient answer. Also the kind of answer you give when you really don't want people panicking about what's in the ocean. Number 8. Fast radio bursts. These are millisecond-long blasts of radio energy so powerful each one releases more energy than the sun does in days. We've now detected thousands of them. Most flash once and vanish forever, but some repeat, on a schedule, like something is switching them on and off. We have theories: dying stars, magnetars, neutron star collisions. None of them fully explain the repeaters, so we're currently pointing our best telescopes at the sky, waiting for a cosmic lighthouse we can't identify to blink again. Number 7. The Great Attractor. Our entire galaxy, along with tens of thousands of others, is being pulled towards something at 2.2 million kilometers per hour. We can't see it directly because it sits directly behind the plane of our own galaxy, blocked by gas, dust, and stars. We only know it's there because of how hard everything is falling toward it. Imagine feeling a hand on your back pushing you forward your entire life, and never once being allowed to turn around and look at who it belongs to. Number 6. The WOW signal. Back to where we started. In 2024, researchers proposed the signal might have come from cold hydrogen clouds getting lit up by a passing burst of radiation. Not aliens. Sounds tidy, except the exact conditions needed to recreate it have never been observed again, not once in nearly 50 years of searching. So the leading explanation for the most famous maybe alien signal in history is a very specific coincidence that has never happened a second time. Feel free to be reassured by that. Number 5. Tabby's star. This star dims randomly, sometimes losing over 20% of its brightness with no pattern. Short-term, astronomers pinned it on dust. But the star's also been fading slowly for over 100 years, and dust alone can't explain a century of continuous dimming. That would take an outrageous, unrelenting stream of comets, all conveniently lined up. So the short-term mystery is basically solved. The century-long one? Still open. Number 4. The placebo effect. A sugar pill given with total sincerity measurably reduces pain, lowers inflammation, and improves outcomes in real clinical trials. Even in some cases when patients are told it's a placebo and it still works. Your brain is producing real physiological chemistry from nothing but belief. Doctors use this every day. Nobody can fully explain the mechanism. We've built an entire branch of medicine around a phenomenon we don't understand and just quietly hope keeps working. Number 3. Dark flow. In the early 2000s, astronomers noticed thousands of galaxy clusters all drifting in the exact same direction at absurd speed toward a patch of sky where, as far as we can tell, there's nothing pulling them. One theory, they're being tugged by something outside our observable universe. Something so far away light hasn't had time to reach us from it, yet its gravity already has. Sit with that for a second. Number 2. The hard problem of consciousness. We can map exactly which neurons fire when you see the color red. What we cannot explain is why any of that produces the actual experience of redness. Why there's someone home inside your skull at all, instead of just a very complicated machine processing input with nobody watching. Every neuroscientist agrees this is unsolved. Some openly admit we may not have the tools to ever solve it. You are, right now, proof of the biggest unsolved mystery in science, and you're using it to watch a YouTube video. Number 1. why anything exists at all. The math says the Big Bang should have created equal amounts of matter and antimatter, which would have annihilated each other completely, leaving a universe of pure empty light and nothing else. No stars, no planets, no you. But it didn't happen that way. Matter won by the tiniest of margins for reasons physicists still cannot fully explain. That 1 in a billion imbalance is the entire reason there is a universe instead of nothing. We don't know why. We just got lucky enough to exist and argue about it in the comments. Maybe one day all 10 of these get explained away with a tidy paper and a press release. Or maybe some of them are the universe's way of telling us we're not supposed to know everything yet.